Computers are your business' closest ally. Every single day they keep your team operating efficiently and your business is running smoothly. That's why it's important to help your computer stay healthy, because no one likes a slow computer. Here are 3 easy ways for you to keep your computer happy. 1. Keep your PC protected from harmful security threats by running a quick scan. Just search your PC for virus and threat protection and go from there. 2. Use recommended troubleshooting. If something's going wrong, let your computer tell you what's up. With recommended troubleshooting, your PC can find and fix potential issues. And 3. Keep your PC up to date. Search your PC for update and security to see if your PC needs updating. And of course, you can get someone else to do this for you regularly, so you don't have to. Let's talk.